Greetings and welcome to day 3 of Mama Elephant's June 2024 release. Today we are introducing Be Scary sentiment stamps and its coordinating creative cuts. We are also introducing the Book Edges creative cuts. First, let me show you the stamped and die cut sentiments. We have a little something to keep your spirits up, trick or treat, eat, drink and be scary, happy Halloween, and frightful and delightful. We also have a spooky good time, smell my feet, give me something good to eat, happy haunting, bring on the candy, and open if you dare. Next, we have the Book Edges creative cuts. There are 4 different styles of book edges in this set, and I see so many different creative uses for these. The possibilities are endless. Today I will be using the one with the holes as well as the scalloped one to create 2 bookmarks. I am using a combination of colored paper, patterned paper and 2 of the images I colored from Deliver Fall Fun. For the top panel, I used the book edges on both sides of the paper. I also punched a hole to thread my ribbon. I used 2 layers of foam tape for the back, so the knot in my ribbon has enough place to sit. After adhering the top panel, I cut the ribbon to the right size. Then it's time to add the images and the sentiments. I am using the Bring on the Candy and the Happy Haunting sentiments from Be Scary. Underneath either sentiment, I am using one of the speech bubbles included in Slim Card Basics creative cuts. And that finishes my 2 bookmarks. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please subscribe and leave a comment below for a chance to win a prize from Mama Elephant. This release will be available from June 15th, and I will see you tomorrow for day 4 of introductions. Bye!